I'll punish you in the name of the moon! Welcome to the Pretty Guardian Sailor Moon Museum. Anyone and everyone who is a fan of anime knows about this iconic magical girl series featuring your favorite sailor warrior. It's celebrating a whopping 30 years of history. The museum is even located where most of the Sailor Moon storyline took place. It's just a 10-minute walk away from Azabu Juban Station. They've got everything, and I mean everything, from commemorative manga panels and even new illustrations by the mangaka herself, Naoko Takeuchi. You can even come and see the highlights from the anime, starting from the first ever Bishoujo Senshi Sailor Moon to the very new Sailor Moon Crystal. One of the main exhibit halls features more than 600 plus items related to Sailor Moon. There's just walls and walls of Sailor Moon collectibles, from toys, fashion, and even accessories. Oh, these are just so to die for. The area after that pays tribute to all the stage musicals, where you can see the various costumes from the play. If you thought that's all, there's always a reason to come back, as the rotating art exhibits feature different illustrations from different eras of Sailor Moon per week. Sailor Moon has made a critical impact not only in Japan, but in pop culture throughout the world, going on to influence celebrities and fashionistas alike. You can bring home the magical girl experience by stopping by the gift store. These are limited edition goods, so commemorate this experience and be sure to treat yourself and grab some before they're all gone. Phew! All this fangirling is sure making me hungry. Strolling down towards the end of the museum is the Sailor Moon Cafe. It's the best way to top off this experience. They have a wide range of food and desserts reflecting the show's aesthetic. This food sure tastes like it can turn anyone's day around. Hope you enjoyed our quick tour of the Sailor Moon Museum. While it's no longer up, do make sure to check out what else is in Roppongi Museum and all of their cool offerings. Till next time, mata ne!